What's up, everybody? It's Trey McLaughlin here with the lovely Tara and Heather, who are going to help me out with teaching some parts for when we sing together in January. Super excited to come to Cali and sing with you guys. So we're going to start with an arrangement called The Climb by Miley Cyrus. This is my own personal arrangement. We're going to start at what would be considered the pre-chorus. The words are, and I gotta be strong, gotta keep on pushing on. And a soprano line will be, and I gotta be strong. And then, gotta keep on pushing on. All right, it's quite high. All right, the alto, and I gotta be strong, gotta keep on pushing on. Tenor, and I gotta be strong, and then gotta keep on pushing on. All right, we're gonna put it all together. And I. 1, 2, ready, sing. And I gotta be strong. Gotta keep on pushing on. Nice and easy. Then we're gonna go to the chorus, which this time it happens, first time it happens after the first verse. It's in unison, so that's easy. We're gonna go to the harmony. Soprano, it'll be, always gonna be another mountain, always gonna wanna make it move, always gonna be an uphill battle, sometimes you're gonna have to lose, and about how fast I get there, and about what's waiting on the other side. You hold that note forever. Then is the climb is your soprano. All right, your alto, always gonna be another mountain, always gonna wanna make it move, always gonna be an uphill battle, sometimes you're gonna have to lose, and about how fast I give, and about what's waiting on the other side. And then here's the climb. Make sure you got those moves. Side. All right, very good. Then tenor, always gonna be another mountain, always gonna wanna make it move, always gonna be an uphill battle, sometimes you're gonna have to lose, and about how fast I get there, and about what's waiting on the other side. This is what we're gonna do. Put that little lip on it. A little trill. Then is the climb. Very good. All right. So we're gonna go back to the pre-chorus and then straight into the actual chorus in 3-part harmony, so you guys can hear how that sounds. Okay. And I. All right. 1, 2, ready. And I gotta be strong. Gotta keep on pushing on. And always gonna be another mountain, always gonna wanna make it move, always gonna be an uphill battle, sometimes you're gonna have to lose, and about how fast I get there, and about what's waiting on the other side. Is the climb. Yes. If you got it, you got it. Can't wait to see you guys as soon as we get there, and we hope to sing together joyfully. See y'all later.